Wow, that's a lot of oysters. That's a lot. It's a lot of oysters. See? Magnetic Island. So, ano pala dito guys? Yung pamasahe is pag-adult, parang 38 return. Tapos, sa aming concession, mga nasa, kasi dalawa kami, mga nasa 42 yung nabayaran namin kasi tag 21 ata yung isang pasahero return concession. Yeah, ang daming oysters guys. Sisi ba? Kung pwede pa lang yung kunin ko na. Oh, kahapon kumain kami ng oysters, $18 ang isa kilo. So yeah, and that's the ferry terminal there, yung mga apartment. And yeah, it looks so nice. I like her. It's cold si Mr. Ayaw niya kasi cold out, but I like it. I'm young, so I don't mind the cold. So yeah, this is it guys. See?